grilled fish but wrapped in foil. This way it preserves all the juices. It's gonna be so good. Oh yeah, look at that. We got all the garnish, like some onions and tomato. We actually put salsa on top, making it taste really good. Yep. All right. So now let's start. Here, my dad bought this huge fish from the fish market. Actually, I honestly don't know what kind of fish it is, but you can also use tilapia and all that. It's okay. Here's some eggplants that we're gonna roast. Those gonna be on this for the sides, and here tomato, onions. We're gonna chop this up. We get ready the foil. All right, here, and we're scraping a bit of compound butter. You can use regular butter if you'd like. I just have a bit of corn compound butter, so it has thyme, oregano, and parsley. It's gonna be so good. Yep. Here now we gotta chop the lemon, tomatoes, and onions. Here it is. And see, that's not my dog is making noise. Eggsy is just chill and calm, waiting for his turn or for his food. Yeah, Eggsy. All right. Then we chop the onions, get all ready. But of course, first we salt and pepper the fish. This way it doesn't taste too bland or doesn't get too bland. There you go. All right. Next up, we cut the onions. My maid cuts the onions, and we're gonna put it on top here. Yes, we put it on the sides on top. This way, when the foil is all closed up or wrapped, it steams up and cooks it good. It goes into the fish. The taste. Now the tomatoes is here. You can add bell peppers or even eggplants if you'd like, but we just kept it simple with tomatoes and onion. Yep, this is gonna be so good. Oh, that you can do this with any other fish, like big enough, like a big tilapia is gonna be good, or even a regular fish. For camping or on the beach, you can do this. It's gonna be so easy, and it's really hard to overcook this because it's gonna be wrapped in foil, so you're not gonna burn it. But you just make sure everything is sealed up. This way, it keeps the juices in, so it doesn't get too dry. There you go. Be careful with that. Wish we had a bigger foil so we can wrap it better, but we just cross matched the foil so this is gonna be wide enough and tall enough. Oh, the butter fell. All right, there. Now here, it's all closed up. Yep. Now it's ready. Oh, so ready. And the eggplant is also waiting to be grilled, so it's gonna make a mash on the side. Here we get the charcoal getting ready and good. We gotta fan it and just keep so that it's gonna be glowing more. That's all ready. Put the fish there. So you have to cook this like 20 minutes on each side, or at least 20 minutes on each side, or you can even do 30 minutes. It'll be so good. Here, about 20 minutes. About 10 minutes later, we start putting the eggplants on the side. It's gonna get grilled. Oh yeah, so good. The eggplant will roast up really quick, so it's just like maybe around 5 minutes. And here it is. 10 minutes later, the eggplants are done. So my maid is cutting up on the sides, and we flip the fish after 30 minutes. So you can see here the reason why you need it sealed. Look at those juices. If it's not well sealed, it'll just drip away and dry up. So there's actually like 30 minutes on each side now. You know. So we're gonna put this Pyrex is actually 35 years old. It's my mom and dad's. So we shift the fish there later. Oh, look at that! You can hear it. It's boiling. It's so good. This will be tasting really good with all the juices. Oh, you guys gotta try this. Even with the regular fish or tilapia, just make sure the foil is sealed up like this. It's gonna be also juicy and cooked well with all the good flavors and tastes. Right? Yep, now it's almost ready. Here it is on the Pyrex tray. Yep, I'll have my maid open it up and show you guys. Here, now. She's worried like it's too hot, but yeah, it's okay. She has tongs. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, sorry, the foil. We should have oiled the foil a bit so the onions and tomato won't stick up top. And yeah, my mate is saying we should leave it like this as it is, and I was like, yeah, that's indeed my plan. I was never planning to remove the foil, We just use the Pyrex so it saves up all the juices there. See at the bottom part, all the juices are so good. Oh yeah. Yep. Now we gotta bring this to the serving table. Time for lunch. Here we added some garnish on top and some butter, and now it's all melted good. Oh, even more juice, that's even good. And of course, you can click here for more of the good stuff. But oh, look at that! This is so good with French fries, rice, or mashed potatoes. Yeah, this is gonna be so good for lunch. It's definitely worth a try. So you guys go try it. Thanks for watching and subscribe this way you can check all the other good stuff here. All right, see ya.